Dave here again. In this list leverage video, I'm going to show you how list leverage will build your email autoresponder list build for you very quickly. In the back of your list leverage back office, which is where I am now, you will click on the marketing link and you will see that there are a number of different lead capture pages going right the way down here. If I go slowly, you'll see where they all are. Now, the one that works best for me and a lot of other people is the 3 streams capture page. So what you'll do is you'll take that and you'll promote that either through Traffic Authority, which is by far the best way to promote it. But when you send traffic to that lead capture page, it builds your your email autoresponder list very quickly. Now, today I haven't had anybody in so far, but it's early doors yet. Yesterday I had 15, and over the period of the last few days, my total subscribers from using that lead capture page has risen to 233. So that means I have 233 people on my list that I can actually email my offers out to for list leverage. I can explain about that. Traffic Authority, I can explain about that. Or Now Lifestyles Send Sharp Autoresponder, which is the one that I use, because it's integrated nicely with list leverage. You can use Aweber and you can use GetResponse, which are fine. They're no problem at all to use either of those two. However, neither Aweber or GetResponse will give you the benefits that Now Lifestyles Send Sharp Autoresponder will give you. But that's how the list leverage lead capture pages work in driving subscribers onto your list. It works very quickly and on autopilot. So if you want to get your own list leverage list building system or your autoresponder system and Traffic Authority, simply click on the link beneath this video to get started, and then your whole marketing experience online will be very much different to what it is now. Don't forget to comment on the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified of every video done onto this channel. But my name's Dave, and thanks for watching.